Good day, everyone. Here on the floor we have a 4.0 Jeep swap cylinder head kit. Anything from 99 through 06. So these work great for the 4.0 replacement or the 4.7 strokers, anyone that's doing a whole top end swap. So let's start out with what we have here, starting out with the cylinder head. This is not a rebuilt head. This is a brand new casting. Everything new about it. New valves, new springs, new seals. Has a stage 3 port job on it. Has a 1.5 exhaust, 2.0 intake on it. So beautiful cylinder head. These flow the same or as good as the aluminum Edelbrock head. We love the Edelbrock heads, but this makes a good alternative as well. Also, we have the Harden push rods, the Harlan Sharp True Roller rockers, the ARP bolts, important to use some good bolts on there, and then the multi-layer head gasket full set there. So really important to use good gaskets, especially on a long head like this. They tend to leak unless you have really good gaskets on there. So all available through tdmotion.com.